Seems like almost every day we hear about some new advance in artificial intelligence and leveraging technology. And there's a lot of tasks that artificial intelligence and technology are going to help us to do. But I'd like to think that all of those are going to free us up. They're going to do some things that create freedom and create margin for us to focus on some bigger things that maybe we don't have time to get to. But even when we're using technology, there's a human dimension. Somebody has to write the prompts that ask the AI what we're trying to solve. Somebody has to then take the output of the AI and decide, is that really accurate for this particular situation? So even though we're leveraging technology, we're not going to be leveraged by technology. We're going to use technology. We're not going to let technology use us. I mean, at the heart of it, business is always about humans, and leadership is always about making judgment calls. Now, I could use all kinds of analysis, I could use all kinds of artificial intelligence to help me gather evidence, help me to gather information, help me to gather data. But even after I've used those tools to gather it, I've still got to bring some judgment to it to decide what is useful, what's not useful, what is known, what's still unknown. But at the end of the day, I've got to make a judgment call. I've got to step up and make a call. The data's not going to make that decision for me. I've got to make that call. So we can't ever escape the human dimension of business, and particularly of leading people. We've always got to keep that human dimension in place, even as technology continues to advance. In fact, I heard an expert from Wharton School say that as technology advances, the human skills are going to be as, if not more important than they currently are now. We embrace that here at the University of Dallas. We really embrace the idea the human skills are still important, if not even more important, as we continue to leverage technology.